we're going to be talking about a project called Sorare. It's a free ETH game that you can get involved with, get some NFTs, get super amount of rewards, and guess what? It is officially licensed with some of the biggest sports on the planet. So let's see where we've got to go. I love football, everybody knows that, so let's see what this is. After this disclaimer, please know I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So guys, here we are on Sorare.com, all right? This is an incredible game. Now, just from playing it a little bit, I know that this could be the biggest game, not just of the year, but of all time, all right? So you're owning your own game. You're collecting, playing, winning officially licensed digital cards featuring the world's best global football, NBA, MLB players, all right? So what you do is you choose your sport. So you can choose football, all right, showcasing your football fandom to your select squad, climbing leaderboards, the NBA side where you flex your front off skills to build your team, and the MLB. Depends whether you're into Major League Baseball or obviously football, NBA, all right? You can collect, play, and win. So what happens is you get these digital cards, all right? You can collect them, buy them, sell them, trade them, all right? They're officially licensed digital player cards in the marketplace. You can create your ultimate team with them. If any of you have played FIFA and things like that, or just the NBA on PlayStation, all right, you get your ultimate team. This is exactly like that, all right? There are no cost to sign up to play. It's on Ethereum. It's completely free, okay? Now, compete against global fans and friends. Obviously, you build your teams of cards, as you can see here, as your player numbers on it, right? This number is their attributes. So, for example, this player here is rated 60. This is a 67. All their attributes together combine towards that number. So, obviously, 91 is the best player on that team, okay? That's how you do it. You go in weekly competitions. You earn crypto through this, all right? You can win so many different rewards based on the real life performance as well, which is a really unique feature. So you go head to head with managers from all around the world. You can go ahead with me, right? Put it in the comments right now if you want to go ahead with me, that's fine. We'll try and figure it out. All right, rewards actually include digital player cards, merch, match tickets to the actual matches, all right, for real life games of your favorite players. And obviously Ethereum you can win as well. Once in a lifetime experience such as meeting the stars and things like that. They've got incredible partners with the NBA, Premier League, Major League Baseball, over 300 football teams, things like that. You can see just on here Mbappe, PK, Serena Williams, things like that have joined up to partner with this game. This game is absolutely blowing up. All you got to do to get involved, right, is click that play now, make yourself an account, and get involved. It is free to play, guys, all right? If you haven't started, I personally have only played the football side because I'm a massive football fan coming from England. Of course I am. I haven't played the NBA, even though I love NBA, and if I can get Stephen Curry, trust me, I will be rocking this game. But MLB, if you're into that as well, again, just get involved, all right? Everybody is getting involved with this right now. Their official Twitter, guys, is @Sorare, okay? Nothing else. Don't follow any other Twitters that are not this. And of course, they have their own Twitters for each sport as well. They're always dropping stuff on here, guys. They've got over 171.5 thousand followers. So give them a massive follow. Let them know you're from this channel. And guys, start getting involved. You can see here, let me just show you one of these tweets that have been posted, all right? This man playing around. He's getting the Danish goalkeepers. He's going on the football side, all right? Playing this really easy. Again, guys, go on their Twitter and have a look. You can actually go with your digital license card to an actual game that you've won as a reward and watch that player play. That's an incredible, unique experience. You get once in a lifetime experiences like this, getting stadium lounges, things like that, guys. All right, I'm super excited. So please hit the links down below and get involved with this game right now. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.